What's up everyone, Vitaly here. I hope you're all doing well. And in this video, I want to show you how to tell which boards are sharing your pins that's leading you to get more outbound clicks to your website. So in a previous video, I shared how one of these pins that I created many years ago has actually been shared by more than one person, because here it says source and here it says other pins. And in the last 30 days, I've received over 887 clicks altogether. Now the thing is, see where it says other pins? This means that there's one or more different accounts that are sharing this pin, which are also getting traffic. So those other people that share my pins see that pin, they click on it, and that's getting me more traffic. And so how do you tell what those pins are? Well, all you need to do is you just need to click on this, and this is going to open up the pin itself. Now here's the interesting thing. You'll notice that here it says outbound clicks 34 in the last 30 days, but here it says 887, and that's because this 34 is from my board. So I'm only getting 34 people clicking on my website from this pin in the last 30 days, only 34 people, but it's 887 because there's other boards and accounts that are sharing this pin, which is leading to so much more traffic. And so what are they? Well, once I clicked on this pin and it took me to this page, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to scroll down and see how it says saved to these boards. You're going to notice that these boards are other people with different accounts that for whatever reason they liked my pin and they decided to share it on one or more of their boards. Now here's the other thing. If there aren't that many pins that are saving yours, you will not see this on the right that says see all, but if there are, you will see all. You will click on that, and what's going to happen is you will now see, oh, these are all different people with different boards that are sharing my pin. So here's another one. All of these boards have this pin somewhere if I look enough into it. So for example, this one that says Kentucky, this isn't my account, but you will find there it is. There's my pin that has been shared there. So this person, thanks to them, I'm getting more click traffic. And so the thing is, it's not just them, it's a combination of all of these boards that are allowing my pin to be seen. All of these boards have my pin in one place or another, and it's leading me to get these 887 outbound clicks or visits to my website every single month. Now, what can you do with this information? Well, aside from actually seeing this, you might also just kind of, if you want to, it's not mandatory, but you can basically also reciprocate a little bit. Maybe you can see one of their boards or pins. I don't even know if that belongs to them or not, but you can just do something as simple as liking this. That can help their board, or rather their pin, just get more SEO juice from Pinterest. This is just me kind of reciprocating their value that they brought me by sharing my pin on their board. And you can do this across the board. Now here's another one. If I click on the pins created in the last 30 days, you're going to notice that there's one over here that says other pins as well. In the past 30 days, it's gotten almost 400 outbound clicks. Again, if I want to see which boards are sharing it, I'm just going to click on it. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to see how it says only 2 outbound clicks, but it's almost 400 because there's other people sharing it. So these 2 boards, there's no more than 2 boards in this case, otherwise you'd see the see all button. They are sharing my pin, and that's what's leading me to get a lot of clicks. So, thank you to these people. I can reciprocate, like I said before, by just liking their other pins or maybe sharing some of theirs on mine. It's not mandatory, but it is something that would be considered good etiquette in this case. So that's how you do it. That's how you find out which pins, or rather which other accounts and boards are sharing your pins, which is leading you to get traffic. So thanks a lot for watching this video, and if you have any questions, let me know. But as usual, I'll see you in the next one. Take care, everybody.